this is the 8th year you've been doing it. Has it gotten bigger every year?
Actually, it comes and goes. It has, our maximum crowd was 1,000 people, and that was like 3 years ago. We've had as few as 500 and as many as 1,000, and you just really never know.
Okay. Do you have the numbers in for tonight yet?
We really don't, but my guess would be 700 to 800.
Now this is kind of a neat fundraiser. Sedalia is a big town for fundraisers, but this is kind of like for everyone. It's not really a black tie type of affair. Anyone can get in, affordable, I think $35 tickets. And have you noticed that it has wide appeal?
It does have a wide appeal, and like you said, last year we started what we call our corporate sponsors and our table sponsorships, and for those companies and individuals who can afford it, you know, we're doing the corporate sponsorships.
Where did the idea for an adult egg hunt come from originally?
Actually, Bob Edwards, who was one of our board members, and his wife Karen actually started Child Safe 12 years ago. He had the idea from, I think he saw it in St. Louis, and he came to us with it, and eventually we actually had it on their property out in the country for the first 5 years. This is the 3rd year we've done it at Matheson. So it was really a lot of fun because it was an outside event and it was a little bit different, you know. So, and I think we had our largest crowd there. We had 1,000 people out there one wonderful night. But the weather, you never knew about the weather, and that kind of, we decided to move it inside, so that was a better thing for eating and entertainment anyway. Yeah.
And then the egg hunt is outside, and the fairgrounds is a great location for that, a really fun location to search for eggs. And tell me about what we're going to see here tonight. We saw the big throng of people going out, not really necessarily rushing, because I think it's like a 10 egg maximum anyway. So everyone will find some eggs, and then they come back and they bring them to this table.
Right, and you come back and you come in here and you get your eggs checked to see if you have a winner. And apparently we already had a golden egg winner. An iPod, wonderful. Oh, Kindle Fire, all right, somebody already found a golden egg. There are like 4,000 plastic eggs hidden out there. So there's a lot of eggs, and 1 in 10 eggs is a winner. We have over 400 prizes, and that doesn't include the golden eggs and the grand prize egg and the car. You know, we have a plastic car hidden out there, and if you find that car, then you get a chance to win that 2012 Dodge Avenger over there.
Tequila left.